Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 111 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have the LA Colors Conceal and Correct in the shade Peach. So I've recently gotten into color correcting. I tried out the green version of this to help reduce some of my redness. And although it didn't completely get rid of my redness, I have been enjoying it, and it really does make a difference in the amount of redness on my cheeks. So the peach shade is supposed to help with dark circles, which, as you can tell, is definitely something that I struggle with as one of my skin concerns. So this says to use the Peach Conceal Correct to neutralize blue hues and brighten dark circles under the eyes. I got this at the Dollar Tree for only $1, and LA Colors is a cruelty-free brand. It definitely doesn't look super peach in the tube. It kind of looks like it's like one of my fair skin colors, actually, for a concealer. It has the doe foot applicator. Wow, so I'm impressed by the amount of pigment and kind of the coverage of this concealer, and it does blend out so nicely. It's kind of hard for me to tell, but I do feel like my under eyes look like they're not quite as kind of the blue-green that I really had prominently right in here. I definitely feel like neutralized is the right word. It looks more kind of like my under eyes are all orange instead of that kind of multicolored bluish green purpley. Now I'm going to go in and put my foundation on top. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. This is one of my all-time favorites. So here we have my face with the Peach Concealer foundation on top, all applied, and I'm feeling like there's less discoloration on my under eyes than I would normally see without any color correcting. Of course, I don't feel like my under eyes look completely perfect. There's still some visible circles, but the coloration looks so much better. I've always struggled with my under eye circles and trying to find a way to cover them, so if for $1 I'm able to make any sort of difference in the appearance of my under eye circles, then I'm happy with the product. I definitely think this is something I'm going to incorporate into my daily makeup routine when I have the time to put on a full face of makeup, but adding some color correcting just makes such an improvement, I feel like, in my skin. So I definitely want to continue to put some of the peach under my eyes, the green on the redness on my cheeks and my chin or any blemishes. And I do have a few more colors from LA Colors concealers to test out in future videos. If you struggle with under eye circles, I'd love to know in the comments down below how you cover them up, how you deal with them. Let's just share knowledge with each other and try and help each other out with those types of problems. So yeah, I'm definitely happy with how day 111 of trying to make a product every day turned out. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.